made it to our cabin in Oak Creek Canyon. Come on. Hey, Louie. What happened? What happened? Louie, no. Louie, no. Louie. Whoops. Louie! So this is the trail entrance, but it's blocked off because the lot is full. Even though it doesn't look like the lot is totally full. Let's go. We gotta cross. River crossing number 3. I think we have about 7 more to go. Here's number 4. Just did river crossing number 4. This one was super easy. So much fun. Right, Louie? Taking in all the sights, all the smells. He loves it. He just didn't love to go outside last. Come this way. No, that's all muddy. Gross. Gross, don't go there. It's all muddy right there. Up. Back to where we started. Made it. We're the last ones to leave. Oh. Oh no, vegetables. 7 miles. Probably the bird.
Look at the rocks, honey. Beautiful.
Looks like cars, it isn't it? So then they said, okay, let's get some rocks and paint them red. So cool.
Sarah, county funding was granted, and
How is this a wagon
they
road?
widened it out initially the whole road. Now,
How did the wagons make it through here?
oh, it was really nice.
Oh, it was nice.
Oh, way out there, looks like the dinosaur back there. First time in 2000, and people there knew who I was.
Really?
It was weird. Like, they just looked at me and I said, "Hey, you're."
Oh, you think like just because of
Yeah,
your
they saw
family?
family resemblance.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Calcium carbonate would eventually just bond it all and glue it together into stone. All
Wow.
the sand.
It's amazing.
Record that?
Yeah.
It was eventually uplifted and then began eroding away. Quick, the down and dirty geology of the area is deposition, uplift, and erosion. So you have the deposition, the all the sedimentation, the different environments that led to that. So, you know, all this red rock is basically rust-coated beach sand, wind-blown sand, washed flat by ancient tides.
Wow.
Eventually, is that we were underwater for a little while, and then we were coastal again.
Wow.
That the underwater left a limestone layer here.
Wow.
And then as that coastline moved out, the area was buried by sand. It became sand dunes, a desert, very much like the Sahara Desert is today. So the red down below is that beach sand. The white up on top is that desert sand. And there's a thin gray band that goes right through the middle of the red. It looks like it was just stacked in there.
Wow.
And that's that limestone layer when we were underwater.
It's amazing.
And then about the time the dinosaurs died, tectonic movement uplifted this plateau, this Colorado plateau, and it's been eroding ever since. Now, the Colorado plateau is about the size of the state of Arizona, and it straddles the four corner states. So kids, do we know what the four corner states are?
You got
Colorado, he says.
Yeah.
Utah.
Utah. That's good. One more.
You got it. Minnesota.
Yeah, no.
So well.
New Mexico. Did you get New
Yeah, there's
Mexico?
a used one and a new one.
Yeah.
Going to the left is just too easy. We're over-engineered to take the easy way.
Riding on the wall. What, Julia?
What's that say?
Julia, your name.
Did you do that?
What's your name? Julia. Julia. Oh, yeah, Julia. What's your name, Julia? You put some rose in there. Oh.
See that?
How funny. Your name's on there, Julia.
It's been there almost 100 years.
Wow.
1927.
Are you serious?
They were from Lewisburg, Texas.
Wow. Look at that.
This was a road. That's a Perry's agave. They only bloom one time. This is when they start. They live 25 to 35 years, and then at the end of their lives, they bloom. So they bloom that. They shoot that stalk out of the middle of it as the plant dies. There's another one behind it going too. And like we had, it was last year, the year before, we had a fire, the bushfire outside of vegetation and stuff. Put those things on their sides, on their lids all the time. We call them spores. SPORE is an acronym. It stands for stupid people on residence limit. You know what?
We made it to the top. Oh, almost the top. Can't even see the city down below.
I can make those. I can make those non-selfies if you want, but
I'm not doing selfie.
videoing that way.
Yeah, that way.
I love cloud cover.
Okay, so we arrived to Crescent Moon Ranch. This is the view from here. It's amazing. Louie! Let's go for a walk. Good boy. So we're on this trail and somebody just spotted a really long snake. I don't know what kind of species of snake it was, but it was red and black and just across the road. I think it's the time for them to wander around. Those people over there, they said that those snakes eat rattlesnakes, so hopefully we don't see any of those. Listen. No. Here, treat. Good treat. Wait. Hold on, let me grab the camera. You did it, Lou! Yes, Louie! Go back in! Jump in! Jump in the water! This way! Careful! This way! On this side right here! There you go! Right there! Go! Yes, Lou! Stay on this side. Good job! Go right here. Yeah. This tree just fell over. We just heard it snap and it just crashed down. Oh my God, that was scary. That is so scary. That is so scary, my gosh. Maybe because it's so windy. Delicious lunch. Salmon salad. Beets. It has beets and feta cheese, tomatoes, olives.
Okay, Louie.
Okay, I think I got it. And there's a spider. You're gonna need barbecued spider. Song. Pretty.
Mira ahí para nada.
No. Slide Rock State Park. There's a 3.3 mile loop, which is dog friendly. Also these apple orchards around the property and amazing views all around the canyon. And then if you wanted to go down to the creek and slide on the rocks, it's really amazing, but there are no dogs allowed down there. And it's Saturday today, it's pretty crowded, but the parking lot is not full, which is surprising. So we lucked out, I think. The weather is beautiful and yeah, it doesn't feel too crowded, even though down by the creek there are a lot of people lounging and having a picnic. And Louie is enjoying all of these smells. He's behaving well today. A couple of dogs that we've seen, but he's doing good. Yeah, I would totally recommend coming here for the day. It's $20 for parking, unless you have, well, I don't know, military pass. Not everyone does, but if you do have a military ID, they do offer a 50% discount, which is good. So we're gonna explore more of this trail before we go back to the picnic area for lunch.